Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello, people of YouTube. I hope you watch this video because it's stupid.
I like cake.
Wesley, come back.
I like free-range
Come back.
eggs.
Do one of your faces.
Mm.
I like free-range.
Another one.
I like free-range eggs with a bit of cherry on top.
How about you?
Hey.
Another face. Good luck with your life.
I wasn't always like this. I mean,
Good luck with your life, Wesley.
I work in a chicken factory. Yeah. And the sheep come every day.
Hold on a sec. Wesley. I'm zooming in on your wave. Do a face. Bye.
Bye.
Anyway, I work in a chicken factory. The sheep come every day, and they beat the shit out of the chickens, and you know, it's not right. It's not right.
No, it's not.
No, it's just sad. I wouldn't care anyway. Just the turkeys come out and they just walk. You know.
Cool. Say bye.
With the big.
Just say bye, Brennan.
Bye.
Hey.